Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the origins of these magical sky lanterns? Let's take a journey back in time to uncover their fascinating history. The story begins over 2,000 years ago in China during the Eastern Han Dynasty. These lanterns were invented by Zhuge Liang, a military strategist, as a signaling device during wartime. They were known as Kongming lanterns after his courtesy name.
Release these lanterns into the sky. They will signal our allies to launch the attack.
Little did he know that this invention would one day become a global symbol of hope and celebration. Another suggested origin is that the name actually comes from the lantern's resemblance to the hat Kongming is traditionally shown to be wearing. The Mongolian army studied Kongming lanterns from China and used them in the Battle of Legnica during the Mongol invasion of Poland. This is the first time ballooning was known in the Western world. Sky lanterns could be a possible explanation for some UFO sightings through the years. In China, Taiwan, and Thailand, sky lanterns are traditionally made from oiled rice paper on a bamboo frame. In Brazil and Mexico, sky lanterns were traditionally made of several patches of thin translucent paper. Over time, sky lanterns evolved from military tools to cultural symbols. During festivals, they were released to honor ancestors and bring good fortune. Today, sky lanterns unite people across cultures and continents, spreading messages of peace and unity.